eFootball is giving a free epic player as a new year gift. Watch the full video to get the free epic player now. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To get the free epic player, you have to collect this from in-game mailbox. After claiming the item, go to the contract section. Open this contracts option. Now tap on special player list. Here you can see a new option named New Year's Gift. Open this option. Here you can see 3 players. You can take one of those players. Select wisely to get the best outcome of the player. I am going to take this CV. To get the player, tap on Sign, then click on Selection Contract. That's how you can take a free epic from here. If you want the best upgrade of this player, comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.